Hi there, this is Abraham with Onshore Computer Services, and I'd like to show you some steps for removing the circuit that is connected from on the inside of the digitizer. This one you have to be careful not to rip. There are no replacements. So you rip this, your iPad is junk. So what I did was carefully peel it off. It's all held by tape. It's nice to keep this thing warm, but careful is more important probably than warm. When you turn it on the other side, there are the contacts right here that would need to be desoldered. This part, the back side of the button, is also held by double-sided tape. So same thing, I just slid the tool under it, picked it carefully all around, and if you turn it to the other side, you will see the little button there. Be careful, it's all very tacky and it likes to get reattached. There is the button, and this piece of cable will need to be resoldered to the new digitizer panel. Okay, the actual push button, all you need to do is really just push it from the other side, it'll come out. Same thing, held by double-sided tape. This one is different than other iPhones and iPads. Different in the sense it's how it's held. They finally put the rubber gasket, so to speak. It's a flexible gasket around it so that moisture from hands or if occasional drips would not penetrate into the machine itself. So let's put this away. For a little iPad, it certainly has a lot of parts that need to be replaced. Okay, so next thing that we'll do is actually touch this with iron. As you can see, this piece tore up, but this is going to get thrown away anyway, so this one is not that critical. But still, you want to be as careful as possible. Like I said, and I don't know if anyone could correct me that these parts are available. I have not found them to be available. So this will need to be touched and separated, and the other side of this one will need to be touched and separated. See you in the next video.